Said I don't know where the parts are. I said there's not very many of them. Parts with candy in it, as I didn't go in before.
What do you want? I'll haul for you. No, thank you. These old vets from a war long forgot that, right? Not long enough for me to forget that you're a traitor. You got the wrong word. There's a D tattooed on my cheek, not a T. That's right. A D. Or deserter. Deserter. I spent 15 years in your army. From milksop bugle boy to gunnery sergeant, the best the army ever had. And you used those guns leading the San Patricio Battalion against the Americans at Churubusco. Blizzards we give you. Blizzards of grapnel from the heights we give you. Yes, that's right. And killed my men for Santa Ana. For my brave St. Pat boys, that's what it was for. Potato famine Irish, they had reason enough to cross the river over to the Mexican side. Fresh off the boats they was, looking for freedom, and what do they get? The army grabs them. The horses was treated better. You saw it. The horses wasn't tied to stakes and whipped. Yes, I saw it. I was there, and I said it was wrong, and you know that. I said it was wrong at the time, but that's no excuse. You were not born Irish immigrant. You were born under the stars and bars. They was my men. What do you want? I told you I'd hold for you. Well, you got some long timbers up there that nobody can get down. I'm the best freighter around, man. You need me. I don't need you. All right, I was just returning a favor. What favor? I've been to town. You didn't tell anybody about me. I owed you for that. Now we're even.